Hello and welcome to all of the Telegram channel admins. My name is Danny. In the next 16 minutes, you're going to learn how you can grow your Telegram channel using Erzy cross-promotion bot. And this is what we're going to discuss in this video. First, I'll briefly explain how does Erzy cross-promotion work. Next, we'll go over every step of installation process of Erzy bot on your Telegram channel. After that, I'll show you how you can schedule your first cross-promotion. And lastly, I will explain the rules and best practices of conducting cross-promotion using Erzy bot. And just in case, there is a manual attached in the description of this video. So let's begin. Starting and managing Telegram channel is really hard. You have to constantly come up with great content that audience appreciates. But it's even harder to promote your Telegram channel, and it's super hard when you have to promote it while you don't have any budgets for advertising. Admins use a bunch of different ways to promote the Telegram channel for free, but the most effective and consistent way of promoting Telegram channels is using cross-promotion. Cross-promo is a form of promotion when Telegram channel exchange their subscribers with each other by recommending each other's channels to their audience. Erzy is a power tool that helps Telegram channel admins through every step of the cross-promotion process. It finds and suggests channels for potential cross-promotions. It helps with scheduling cross-promotions, and it automatically posts and deletes cross-promotion posts. And finally, it measures the effectiveness of every cross-promotion. Erzy makes cross-promotion easy. All the cross-promotion Erzy are done one-on-one, meaning in one cross-promo, there could only be 2 participating channels. We think it is more effective to conduct cross-promotions one-on-one rather than posting a long list with different channels. Because if you do that, you don't know where did your subscribers come from. And when you do one-on-one, it's quite obvious. Right now, cross-promotion could be conducted in 6 different languages. If your channel language is missing, contact me. Okay, now it's time for the installation. I'm going to use PC Telegram client, but you can follow the same steps on Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. They're all the same steps. Okay, let's get on the PC. And here is the Telegram client. Okay, now we need to type Erzy net bot to find a bot, or you can open a direct link from a website erzy.net. So let's press start. Okay, let's add the channel. First, you have to enter the username of your channel. So our channel is Bob's travel channel. All right, here's the channel. And now we need to add Erzy bot as an admin of our channel. So here's the channel. We'll go to manage channel, administrators, and here we type Erzy net bot. Okay. We let the bot post message, edit message, and delete messages. Okay, save, close, save. Now let's go back to the bot and type verify. Now we need to choose the category of the channel. This is a travel channel, so I will put this channel under entertainment category, but you can change it afterwards. Okay, now let's choose the language of the channel. Our channel is in English language, so English. All right, now let's type the description of the channel. So description of the channel must not be longer than 150 characters long. This is the most creative part, because this description will be shown in the promo posts, and other admins will see this description before deciding whether they want to do cross-promotion with you or not. So try to make this text as attractive as possible, but not over the top. We suggest not to add more than 2 emojis inside the text. And regarding the description, you'll also be able to edit it afterwards, just like a category. In addition, bot will automatically take the logo of your channel, the picture from the logo of your channel, and add it to the promo post. So I'm going to write a simple description like, hello, my name is Bob. I want you to accompany me in my travels to the most exciting destinations of our planet. See you on my channel. Okay, as you can see, description is too long. Let's make it shorter. Alright, great. Alright, the channel has been added. By the way, if you manage the other Telegram channels, you can also add them and schedule easy cross promotion between your own channels. So we are ready to start for our first cross promotion. So now we press start cross promo. The bot takes us to the next section of the menu. Here we have suggested channels list and invited channel list. The first one is suggested list. Is a list that Erzy prepared for us based on the language, category and the size of our channel. The second list is the list of channels that you have invited yourself by contacting the admins directly. We also call it friends list. The size or the category doesn't matter if you are the one who invited the channel. You'll always see these channels in this list. Once the channel joins the bot, you will get a notification, and this channel will be added to your list of invited channels. So we will start the cross promotion with suggested list. Okay. Here's a list of the channels, and they are clickable. I can just click on them. Yes. And I can read the descriptions of these channels. So we're going to do cross promotion with Alice's travel blog. So to choose the channel, we just press at the name of the channel here, Travelito. Okay, the Alice is going to get notification. This is what the notification was going to look like. And she can approve or decline. Either way, you'll get the notification. So yeah, Alice is going to approve. And now we're going to go back, and we also get the notification that she has approved. Okay, now while we wait for a bot to post the promo post, we can just check the status of our cross promotion. To check it, we just go to menu, to main menu. We choose our channel. And here we choose active cross promotions. So here is the status of our cross promotion. So the cross promotion is between Bob's travel channel and Alice's Travelito channel. The status is approved. It's going to start on Tuesday, 5th of October, today, at 5 p.m. GMT time, in 1 hour time, which is correct. All right, let's wait. Okay, it is time. It is 5 o'clock p.m. GMT time, and we got a notification into our bot. Okay, the cross promotion message has been posted, as you can see. So let's go to our channel. Here's the post from Alice's Travelito channel. So as you can see, we have a channel username here and a button. And as you can see, we have the promo post back into our own channel. So the cross promotion has started. Also, before we go, let's go into the menu and go to active cross promotions. And as you can see, the status is active right now. All right, I'll see you in 24 hours and we'll check out the results of our cross promotion. All right, so I am back and the cross promotion has finished. Let's check the results. So here's the notification that was sent by the bot that the cross promotion was successfully completed. And here we have information. So this was the time, this was the amount of subscribers we had in the beginning of the cross promotion, and this is by the end. And this is the change. So basically during the cross promotion we had 2 new subscribers. Obviously this is a testing channel, so now we should go back to the main menu and we go to the completed cross promotions. And here we have the history of all of the cross promotion that was that previously happened. So here we have all the information that, you know, the status completed, when it ended, the channels that were involved in the cross promotion, and also there is an ID of the cross promotion. Now, what happens if you don't like the list of the channels that Erzy suggested to you, or you have your own list of channels with whom you already did cross promotion previously, where you know the admin personally? In this case, you can generate the invitation message using Erzy bot and forward this message to this admin. So now I'm going to show you how you can invite channel for cross promotion. So we go to invite a channel list, and here's the invite new channel menu. So first we have to write the username of the channel that we want to invite. So let's say we want to invite also Alice's channel, but the channel that is not already in the system. We're going to type the channel name of Alice's news channel. So this is Alice news channel. Pretty straightforward. So okay, so this is what we're going to see. We're going to see this message. So we're going to forward this message to Alice. Pretty easy, just press forward, choose Alice and send. So Alice is going to receive this message and she's going to, you know, decide whether she wants to participate or not. Okay, so once Alice adds her channel, adds this Alice news channel into the system, we will get a notification. So we got invitation notification from the bot, and here's the information. So yeah, she has been added. So now we can do cross promotion through the invited channels list. So to do that, we just go here and let's say we want to start new cross promotion with this new channel, and we start new cross promotion, and we want to choose the list. Instead of choosing the suggested channels list, we choose invited channels list. And here she is, Alice's new channel. And the rest of the steps are all the same. So you might ask, why would I use Erzy bot instead of just doing cross promotion directly with the other channel admin? Well, because it's easier and more organized to do cross promotion using Erzy bot. Let's say you have 5 channels with whom you did cross promotion previously, and it went well. You can use our bot to schedule several cross promotions with each of these channels, like per day. And afterwards, you could just monitor the effectiveness of every cross promotion by looking at the stats. Now imagine how much time you and your partners are going to save. Alright, now it's time to talk about rules and the best practices. To establish fair cross promotion between channels, we must set certain rules that all the participating channels must follow. The first rule is very important, and it's pretty easy. You should never ever delete or edit promo post yourself. Once bot posts promo post, you should never touch it. The bot will automatically add promo post, monitor it, and delete it once the promo is finished. If you delete promo post, it will immediately stop cross promotion between you, and it will also automatically delete it on the other side. If this happens again, the account and the channel will get banned from the service. The second important rule is regarding the content of the channel. All of the channels must follow Telegram content rules. These rules are really easy to check. There are only 3 of them. You just follow the link. So we go to telegram.org/TOS, and we have 3 rules. The first one is do not spam or scam users. Second, do not promote violence. And last one is do not post illegal pornographic content. So, I mean, these rules are pretty easy to follow. Another rule is regarding the channels with adult materials. If your channel contains any adult material, it must be under the 18+ adult category. If channel with adult content is registered under any other category, it will get banned from cross-promotion. Now, I want to talk about best practices. When you're using Erzy bot, you're actually collaborating with another channel. So try to give good value to another channel so that the admin of this channel wants to do the cross-promotion with you again. This means allowing the audience to see a promo post for a couple of hours before covering it up with a new post, or not doing another cross-promotion during the cross-promotion period. The system is designed in such a way that the more value you give to the other channels admins, the more admins will want to do cross-promotion with you. So try to establish a reputation from the start. Alright, I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any questions or suggestions or criticism, you are very welcome to join our group chat on Telegram. You will find all the links in the description of this video. So, stop competing and start cooperating. See you.